Hey there YouTube, this is your host VLD coming back with you with another video, and today I got something a little bit different for you. I have a MagSafe accessory made that's multi-diverse, so you can basically attach any attachment to the back of your phone with it. And it's just like a little puck. I've done a couple of reviews like this before in the past, and it's basically, I'm using this one for my DJI Mobile 4. Sorry, my camera's a little bit blurry, the focus is off, but just like the Ring, this is primarily how you put your iPhone on your DJI Mobile. Basically, you put the clip in, you line it up, you have to make sure it's the right orientation to it, and it just goes just like that. It's kind of a hassle, it takes time to set up, and once you want a product that can do that a little bit easier and quicker with MagSafe, and you can with this product coming up. I like the DJI Mobile. It's pretty nifty, but it's kind of a hassle when you have to take your iPhone, when you have to take your case off, and can't you just wish that there might be an easier way just to snap it into place, because it uses magnets with the Mobile 4 to connect everything, and it's just kind of a hassle to get the whole thing set up and nice and snug. And that's where this product comes into place. This accessory grip for pop socket, I've used this before in the past for other devices. It's basically a MagSafe magnet, and you can get them for about 10-12 bucks. They come in different colors now, and I highly recommend this product itself. And DJI comes with a little ring on the back of it out of the box, so you can basically put them both together, and it's a very good product. I like. And with DJI, it has a little ring you can do to pull it off to make it a little bit easier. And it's just a little rubber piece, a little rubber puck with magnets that you can use for MagSafe. With MagSafe, you can do a lot with it, and I recommend this. It's kind of like my old video with like a pop socket. It's the same thing with a pop socket on the back. They're the same device. This one's a little bit thicker and more sturdier compared to the other one, but all in all, I think they're all a really good product. And with this, I highly recommend it because it's just literally a little rubber puck with magnets you attach to the back of your iPhone. You can hook up many different accessories to it. With the DJI Mobile 4, you have the little ring, like what you see right here, and you just snap it to the back. You can keep your iPhone case on it and make sure it's lined up just like that, and you're basically good to go. Line them both up and snap into place, and you have the same thing as before, but quicker, faster, and more efficient, and it's not going to be going anywhere either. You basically get all the same controls as prior, and you can basically just use it like before. It still has the same gimbal part of it. I do like the grip for other devices, but for switching to MagSafe, primarily for everything I can, I like this. It's easier and quicker, and it's not going anywhere because I've used this before shooting a couple different videos, and it's sturdy. The magnets are pretty strong, and you need two hands just to pull it off. So if you're out filming with your $1,000 iPhone, it's not coming off. Kind of like how you see, you need two hands to pry it off it. Sorry about the camera. It's just been kind of acting up, so I'm in the market of a new one here soon. But like I said, you just snap into place, and with the magnets back on the iPhone, it keeps it nice and sturdy, and it's not going anywhere at all. So I do recommend this device. It's only about 10, 12, 13 bucks depending on when you buy it off Amazon, and it's not going anywhere. It's going to stay nice and sturdy, just kind of like how you see right there. And multiple times the shake did not fall off the iPhone, and compared to the actual grip itself from DJI, which is good for other devices like your Samsungs or your LGs or your OnePluses, for iPhones, if I can MagSafe anything in my life, I will. And with that, I do recommend this product for anyone, just because it makes your life a little bit easier and it makes it a little bit quicker. And yeah, I'll do it one more time for you guys. With this, for the DJI, I recommend this product for anyone. I mean, it's only about $12 and it makes your recording a lot quicker and easier. Well, I'm your host, VLD. Smash that button, subscribe to my channel so I can bring better quality content to you guys in the future, and you guys keep updated for my future videos. I'm your host, VLD, signing out.